For the last 150 years, Rusk Heating and Cooling has been providing top-notch HVAC services to keep your home comfortable. Serving the Greater Cincinnati area as well as northern Kentucky and Indiana, we're dedicated to assisting you in finding a dependable, high-quality indoor comfort system that operates safely, can lower your monthly cost, reduce indoor air pollutants, and regulate temperature and humidity. These principles have since shaped Rusk into one of the most reputable, locally owned and operated full-service heating and cooling companies in the area. Fully licensed and insured, our team of factory-trained professionals are here to provide prompt, expert service. Speaking of which, with our emergency service, we are available to help 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We do it all. Whether you're in need of routine maintenance, emergency repair, replacement equipment, or a completely new system, we've got you covered. We can also offer geothermal systems, air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, boilers, indoor air improvement, duct cleaning, preventative maintenance, replacement systems, humidifiers, or ductless air systems, so you can rest assured that Rusk can handle any of your HVAC needs. On top of that, we offer financing with credit approval, a great maintenance program, and provide free estimates on new installations too. All of this is backed up by our NATE certification, our 2014 Best of Covington Award, and our many great reviews by our happy customers. Call us today for more info or visit our website for our many great specials, including $40 off of your first service call. Rusk Heating and Cooling, keeping you comfortable for 150 years.